If I hadn't seen it with my own eyes, I wouldn't have believed it. This lady has actually planted vegetables in the gaps between the floor tiles. The cabbage she grew not only has a high survival rate, but it also looks fresh and beautiful. This magical scene is truly eye-opening. The corn is growing particularly well. I realized that this way of farming is incredibly convenient. You don't need to plow the soil or weed, because the surrounding environment makes the grass think twice. The lady continued to plant watermelons, eggplants, and chili peppers. But that's not all. The most unbelievable part is, she even grew large radishes. A group of agricultural science students were left speechless. After all, even in Plants vs. Zombies, you need to start with a flower pot, right? Besides the gaps between the tiles. She didn't even spare the corners of the walls. The cabbage she grew there turned out better than the ones in the ground. Indeed, true champions never complain about their environment.